blue eyes looked into mine. It was then the sun began to shine that day in May. You wore a blue, blue lace. You were wearing a blue lace the day that I first met you, and we wandered on the sand by a blue sea, with not a cloud in the sky to distress us, not a care had you or I to suppress us. I will always remember the moment when I kissed you, for the smile upon your lips so heavenly sweet, when your blue eyes looked into mine. It was then the sun began to shine that day in May. You wore a blue, blue lace. I will always remember the moment when I kissed you, for the smile upon your lips so heavenly sweet,